How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. And in this episode, I was watching an ad on Facebook, and I saw the other day this. This is Autobride Direct. This video is not sponsor. I pay for this with my own money. So they say that you just spray this into your wheels, and if you can see my wheels, they're really bad. You spray it, let it turn purple, and after that you just rinse it. So recommendation is to use pressure washer. So I'm gonna go right now to the car wash, and I'm gonna do this. The reason why I'm doing this, I'm gonna test this out, see if it really works. They say that you just spray it, you don't even have to touch the rim, and it's gonna get clean. I really don't believe it, but the reason why I'm doing this video and the reason why I bought this is because I'm always busy. I'm always doing something, and if I try to clean my wheels like really good, sometimes I remove them, clean them, but 3 days after they look the same. So if you can see here, this car, I'm gonna do it in this car because this car has silver wheels, so it's more noticeable when they're dirty, and you can see right there how dirty they are. I don't know if it's gonna work. I don't think it's gonna work with one application. Probably gonna have to do like 2-3 applications on it, but wanna try it. So let's see if it works, and let's see if I'm gonna recommend this for you guys or I just gonna forget about it. We'll see. And if you can see, the core is covered because I'm doing some projects on it, and I'm not gonna reveal it, but just wait for maybe like a week, because what I'm doing right now, it takes time, especially because I don't have a lot of time. But if you can see here, there's no headlights. So yep, I'm working on something right now. I covered the car because I don't have the headlights, and I don't want it's been raining, I don't want water get into it. So stay tuned for that video. It's coming. It's a lot of work involved on what I'm doing right now, but it's gonna be worth it. Okay guys, I'm at the car wash. I'm gonna start applying this product. First thing, hesitate the product really well, and it says that you have to apply it until it turns purple. So we'll see if it really works. If it really works, this is gonna help me a lot. So I just have to do this and forget about my wheels. Obviously, the best way to clean them is remove them, take all the grime, all the gunk that gets stuck on it, and then give them a good treatment. But the problem is sometimes I don't have the time for it, but we'll see if this product works. That's the main reason why I make this video. It's dissolving pretty well. So we'll see when it turns purple. See that? So guess that one is good to go. They all turn purple right now, and then I'm just gonna rinse the wheels. Let's see what happens. I finished, and after one application, you can see we still have some brake dust in there. This wheel right here, it still has some brake dust around there, you can see. And as the fourth wheel, still have a lot in there. So if you can see there, I'm gonna apply it one more time, and let's see if you remove everything. I already used like 1/4 of the bottle, and this thing I paid like $23 with shipping, and I would say that it doesn't do like magic. Maybe you have to apply it like a couple times, because these rims, they were really dirty. If you can tell, before I apply this thing, they were really dirty. So I'm gonna wait until they dry a little bit, apply one more time, and let's see if that does the trick. Second time, and I hope with this one they get cleaned up. Okay guys, second application. If you can see, almost remove everything. Not quite like perfect, but after you clean it with the microfiber towel, I would say that will do the trick. So if you can see, I would say 3 times it will work. Okay, my thoughts on this product is I almost used half of the bottle, and I will say that this might do the trick if you do it like quite often, but it's not really bad. $23 with shipping, and I went direct to the website from this company, Autobride Direct, and I already did this. I applied it 2 times, and you can see it's still probably gonna need one more time. But if you do this kind of like often, like every weekend, I will say that this might work. I don't have pressure washing at home, so basically that will be a drawback for the ones that we don't have pressure washer. We have to come to the car wash. But I'm gonna leave that one after you guys. I just purchased this with my own money. I make this video so you decide if it really works or not. $23 per bottle, and I use it 2 times. I almost used half of this bottle. I don't know, I might check later on some other products. I will say that maybe I'm not 100% recommend this product, especially because they were really dirty. But if you do this quite often, and if you have the money and you want to keep your wheels clean, I will say that this is the way to go. But um, I'm not gonna say that I recommend this product. I would say that I leave that one up to you. Okay, guys, I just got back home and they're not 100% clean. I would say that if you want a good, perfect result, you're gonna have to do it the old-fashioned way. Uh, Clean the rims. I spray. I would say spray that product and hesitate with the brush and remove all the brake dust, grime, all the dirt. So that's it for this video. I hope you like this video, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.